Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by turning the feature on and confirming compatibility. First, check your iPhone is updated. Once done, pair your AirPods or HomePod. Then open Settings, tap Siri and search, and enable Announce Messages. Make sure Announce Messages is allowed for notifications and that your device isn't in full Do Not Disturb mode. This gives Siri permission to speak incoming messages through the paired audio device, and it prepares everything for the actionable steps that follow. Next, control which apps and conversations Siri can announce. Go back to Announce Messages settings and tap the list of apps. Toggle only the ones you want spoken aloud. Once done, configure whether Siri can automatically read replies or if you must confirm before sending. This balances convenience versus privacy. Also, make sure Messages has access to contacts so Siri names senders correctly. These detailed permissions ensure the right notifications are voiced. Finish by testing the setup. Ask someone to text you or use a secondary device to send a message while your headphones are connected. If Siri doesn't announce, first increase audio device volume and ensure your iPhone's focus mode isn't blocking notifications. Once done, reboot the phone and repair the headphones, then recheck Announce Messages and per app notification permissions. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last resort. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most connectivity and permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.